Let's learn about the United States of America. Facts about Colorado. Colorado's nickname is the Centennial State. It became a state in 1876. It is the 38th state. The capital of Colorado is Denver. Denver is also its biggest city. The state bird of Colorado is the lark bunting. The state flower is white and lavender columbine. Their official state animal is the Rocky Mountain bighorn sheep. Colorado is well known for producing peaches. Colorado has over 30,000 farms. Did you know the first car license plate was issued in Denver? This happened in 1908. Tim Allen, a famous actor, was born in Colorado. Hi everyone, Skye here of Skye's Workshop. Remember to check out playlists to get you to your favorite categories of videos. And remember to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.